evening, everyone. Today, I want to give some review on the book The God of Small Things, written by Srijana Arundhati Roy. Srijana Arundhati Roy is best known for her novel The God of Small Things, which won the Man Booker Prize for non-fiction in 1991 and also became the bestseller for non-extract Indian author. She is not only an author but also a political activist involved in human rights and environmental causes. Coming to the story is all about the parental twins who are separated due to the love loss laid down, which causes a severe effects on their lives. Here we get to know that how the small things can change the entire lives and entire behavior of the children. Not only these things, but Srijana Arundhati Roy included many themes in this novel, which are Indian history and politics, caste, religions and cultural tensions, forbidden love, social discrimination, betrayal, misogyny and women in India. These are the main aspects and themes which are useful to our lives and how can they change their lives according to the situation, according to the problems, according to the circumstances. We need to change everything into our country. We have to give reasons why should we read this novel. The grace of Indian society. The Indian society, which has a social, cultural tradition and so many other things happen in India. By highlighting these elements in a realistic manner to understand easily the relationship between the siblings and cousins or our family members, to develop our ethics, communications and values. It all about the family relation between the mother and the twins and how they are in the separation and how they are closeness and how they are attached to each other to lead their lives in an effective way. It is a connection to the second one, and this is invisible by between the parents and the twins of the children. How simplest act of living, connection, communication. In this time, the story gets more effective and powerful. How a human being is suffered as an individual and in universe. Problems solved as an individual and as well as in group. This is the way how Arundhati Roy is effectively convey the relationship between the children and the siblings and the cousins. Each and every character in the book may lead our lives in an effective way and a great way.